Halip. Happy Valentine's Day natong tanan. Super busy jud ko karong nga adlaw no. And kani nga kanta para sa aton tanan. Okay. Let's start. I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear words that are old as time. Words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you look in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words as you lie here by my side. I love you. Please say love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time.